Welcome to another Kikuyu lesson with I, Teacher Martin. I hope that you have subscribed to this channel by clicking the subscribe button down there, and that you like this video, you'll comment, you'll share with your friends, and that you also tell me what you want us to learn in the Kikuyu language. This is part of the free lessons that I give you. Without much ado, let's dive into a lesson that will be handling singular, plural, that is to say onini na oige in the Kikuyu language. So singular denotes that there is only one noun in reference. For instance, in a sentence, the Kikuyu name for singular is onini. 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 You can see this word onini. Okay. Plural denotes that there's more than one noun in reference in the sentence. The Kikuyu name for plural is oige. Oige. Okay. Kikuyu nouns are divided into many groups which affect pluralization and agreement with the adjectives, verbs, and the associative. Okay, what that means is that for you to be able to speak good Kikuyu, okay, and to make plural forms of sentences of words, you need to understand the Kikuyu verbs, adjective, and all this, and understand the group to which the noun belongs, okay, just as it is in the Swahili language. So it is very important for you to recall the lesson on noun classes. You can find it in this channel. Just look for the lesson on noun classes. Okay, it will be very important for this lesson so that you can form grammatically correct Kikuyu sentences, whether you are speaking in plural form or in singular form. Let's go to the next by doing some practices. Okay, we have some words here. The first word is modo. Modo. Modo is person. Okay, modo. Modo. When we are talking about people, it becomes ado. 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 That is person, people. Okay, then we have another word here, kahe. Kahe, that's a boy. When you have many boys, you say tohe boys. Okay, good. Let's go to the next. Kairetu. 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 Kairetu, that's a girl. When there are many girls, toiretu. 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 Toiretu, that is girls. Okay, let's go to the next. Lido. I. Lido. When there are two, maido. 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 Lido. Maido. Good. Okay, then you go to the next. Guoko. Guoko, hard. Moko, hands. Okay, guoko, moko. Let's go to the next. Kogoro, leg. Kogoro. Kogoro. When there are many, is magoro. Okay, magoro. Good. You go to the next. Keara, finger. Keara. Okay, when there are many, Ciara. Ciara. Ciara, figures. Okay, let's go to the next. Go to. Go to. Then when there are two, mato. 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 Goto. Mato. Ear. Ears. Good. Then let's go to this next. Gari. When there are many, gari. Let's say car, cars. Car, cars. Car, cars. Gari, gari. How do you know the difference? Let's go to the next so that you can understand what is going on. So note that some nouns do not have the plural or the singular form, which is common in so many other languages. The one that I know, they have this kind of a thing whereby a word does not have its own plural singular form. It's the same, English included. Okay? So, for such words, noun classes become very important because they are then used to indicate plural in a sentence. Okay? For example, gari, car. Note how different the plural reference to the car is in the table below. Okay? Eno ne gari. Eno ne gari. When there are many, it becomes ishi ne gari. Okay? You see how they are, how that is changing. How you change this is determined by the noun class. Okay? Okay? Eno. If I was referring to a person, it should have become oyo aya. Oyo aya. Okay? Oyo aya. But here I'm referring to an object, so it become eno. The same with an animal. Eno ne gui. This is a dog. Eno ne gui. This is a dog. Okay? But when I go to refer to you as a person, you say oyo. Okay? Oyo ne moiretu. This is a lady. Aya ne airetu. These are ladies. Oyo ne mutumia. This is a woman. Aya ne atumia. These are women. Oyo ne moduri. This is a man. Aya ne aduri. You see? That's what we are talking about. Noun classes. Eno, ishi. E, I. Okay? O, a. Okay? Yeah. That helps a lot in pluralization in Kikuyu. So, we have more practice here. Let's start with the first sentence in singular. Raka ne kahe. This is a boy. Plural becomes toto ne tohe. These are boys. Okay? Geke ne gekobe. Okay? This is a cup. Isi ne ikobe. These are cups. Eno ne nyoba. This is a house. Isi ne nyoba. Okay? You see? A, E. Ge, E again. So, now classes keep on changing. For instance, you can see here, ge kenege kobe, ge, it became E again, ishi. Ge ke changed to ishi. So that's a different noun class from A, ishi. Okay? Oyo ne morata wakwa. Oyo ne morata wakwa. We are referring to a person. Oyo ne morata wakwa. This is my friend. Aya ne arata akwa. These are my friends. Oyo ne morata wakwa. This is my friend. Aya ne arata akwa. These are my friends. Okay? Let's go to the next. Yeke. Again. Yeke. Negeshiko. This is a spoon. This is a spoon. Ishi ne ichiko. These are spoons. Okay, that's the value for an object. Ge, ishi. E, ishi. Oyo, referring to a human being. Oyo ne mwalimu wakwa. This is my teacher. Aya ne alimu akwa. These are my teachers. Okay? Oyo ne mwalimu. Oyo aya. Oyo aya. You see? Oyo aya. That's the noun class for a human being. For animals, it still remains eno. Eno, the way I said, eno ne. For instance, eno ne goko. This is a hen. Isi ne goko. Okay. You cannot say oyo ne goko. No. That's an animal. So that is eno. Eno. Okay. You get it right? So, that's good. That's good. I hope you keep practicing. Yeah, thank you. And for more clarification, you can always contact me on WhatsApp at that number. You can also email me on that email. And I also offer personalized classes for Kikuyu. If you want to run Kikuyu more personalized classes, I also teach children. So if you want your children to be taught Kikuyu, you can talk with me and we make all those arrangements. Okay, yeah, those are paid lessons. Yeah, just put that clear. Those are paid lessons for those who are willing. Otherwise, I will continue posting the free lessons here on YouTube. Yeah, so make sure that you have subscribed, that you comment, that you share, for I to continue creating this free content. Okay, yeah, I am on the free mode, but I hope that you will grow so that I can earn something from this. But no problem, continue following me for more wonderful good Kikuyu lesson. Na gai amoralime. May God bless you and see you in the next. Bye bye for now, and thank you for watching. Thank you.